Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making pan-seared squid with chimichurri sauce. Chimichurri is a South American pesto that's usually served on grilled meat, but it's actually really wonderful on seafood as well. So here's our squid. You see it has two parts. There is the body, or the tube, and there is the tentacle. Typically in restaurants, you usually see squid as calamari, deep fried. It's wonderful that way. We're simply going to sear these in a very, very hot pan. It's going to take probably a minute or the most two. The common saying with squid is either cook it super fast or you cook it really slow. If you land somewhere in the middle, you're going to have rubber band, which is not what we want. Given how quick the squid preparation is going to be, we're going to spend a little bit of time making that chimichurri sauce. And for that, we basically need some greens. We have some parsley and some mint, along with olive oil, a little bit of cumin, some red pepper flakes, garlic, and some red wine and vinegar. All of that is going to go into a little container. We're going to blitz that till it's a nice, smooth consistency. Have my olive oil super hot and just starting to smoke. I'll go ahead and add just the tubes to begin. These are going to cook super quickly. As soon as they begin to puff up, I know that we're done. It's going to be just about a minute. The pan has some rendered liquid. I'm going to keep the pan hot, let that liquid burn off before I go ahead and add in the tentacles. These are going to cook for about a minute. You can see how they begin to firm up and change shape. Once that happens, I'm going to add the tubes back in along with a couple of tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I'm going to keep cooking this at high heat until the liquids reduce and become a nice coating syrup. It'll take about another minute. The squid is getting nicely coated. That is perfect. We're ready to serve. All right, these look beautiful now that the sauce is reduced, and we're going to put these over a nice plate here of white beans, just like that. A few tentacles and a few pieces of calamari. This makes a wonderful light dinner. And then we're going to top that with some of our chimichurri sauce for color and also for additional flavor. Just like that, all around the plate. And a little bit in the middle. There you have it, pan-seared squid with white beans and chimichurri sauce. Bon appetit, enjoy.